The police's attempt to block the stolen vehicle only made the group of youths inside more reckless. They sped up and weaved through traffic relentlessly, forcing officers to tighten their perimeter in a dangerous pursuit. On an empty stretch of road, a precise pit maneuver by the police brought the runaway vehicle to a halt. With no way out, the three suspects were forced to surrender. A swift, perfectly executed chase that ended safely for everyone. The chase began when detectives spotted a stolen pickup. The driver ignored orders and fled recklessly, even with 3 flat tires, intensifying the danger.
Mike 7 Mary, he's running there. Once you got it, call it. Yep, I got him. Marking confirmed. That marking behind me, get in front of me. Mark unit coming around. Alright, we're on 70th Ave, man. Continuing west. Yeah, the car is coming, we're northbound on 150th. Stop sticks were successful. Intersection is clear, guys. Intersection is clear.
It's a good hit. He got 2 left tires and his front right hit. He's on his rims.
The driver crashed into a fence, abandoned the vehicle, and fled on foot, prompting police to deploy K-9 Duder. Duder quickly pursued and apprehended the suspect, who now faces multiple serious charges. The police entered the area where the suspects were illegally street racing. As the police approached, the driver of the Challenger suddenly accelerated, speeding away at high speed, determined to escape.
Hotel, stop traffic for
Surrounded, the driver surrendered. The suspect faces a series of charges, from illegal street racing to drug possession and evasion. Police seized 3 firearms and 4 vehicles involved. A car suddenly sped off at an incredible speed. The police immediately took action, and the intense chase escalated as the driver desperately tried to escape.
Supporting, and then I'm coming up on Gilly's Well. I'm coming up on Overport now, so you just made it a lady in front of you. Hey, you call the ball for us, and just let us know where you at so we know where we can cut him off at.
Ending Harvey's parking lot, 10-12, guys, walk back.
The police immediately launched a relentless pursuit. After a tense standoff, they were forced to stop the car, preventing a dangerous situation by inches. The suspect was arrested and faces charges. The chase started when the police found out the suspect used a fake credit card to rent a room and steal a car. The suspect took off fast, forcing the police to chase after them.
10, maybe like 200 pounds. You have like cargo shorts. Take the 20 car down back. Counter up. Probably 8. X-ray out of tub, white Subaru.
What was the other subject description?
Heavy set white male font and black shirt, cargo pants. You're gonna have on a hat and some black shades.
What direction?
He's driving the blue car in the parking lot.
Alright, I'll turn around.
When they're in the parking lot now.
Adam Murray, it's 555 Victor Robert John. It's a blue Hyundai.
Starts with W now over there.
Step out.
Yeah,
Step out now.
He's doing the
Put it in park.
Yes, sir. On the back side.
Put your hands right there. You got any guns? No. Put your hands on the car. For what? I'm in a police car. And you're trying to get away from me.
Okay.
You didn't see that police car behind you?
Oh, fuck, I didn't. Oh.
If you would listen, none of this would be going on.
Okay.
No, it's not okay.
Okay.
Why you got handcuffs? Why do you have handcuffs?
Because I'm fucking kicking, dude. Fuck.
You gotta stay still, brother. If you don't stay still, I can't.
The car came to a stop and the suspect resisted when confronted. Police quickly restrained him and made the arrest. With enough evidence, he was detained and faced charges. The car veered off the road, and when the police approached, the driver suddenly accelerated and fled. The chase reached speeds over 100 miles per hour, with the driver constantly switching lanes and losing control. After the police performed a pit maneuver, the suspect's car was pushed off the road and came to a stop. The driver refused to exit, forcing the police to pull him out and arrest him. The suspect was charged with fleeing and resisting arrest. The Accord blew through the checkpoint, swerving wildly and nearly causing a horrific crash. With the dangerous terrain, the police couldn't make their move just yet. The suspect ditched the car, sprinted through a neighborhood, waded through a creek, and vanished into the woods. But within minutes, the police had him, soaked, gasping for air. He tried to hide his identity, but his record exposed everything.